Bawat kwento may kwenta.
Bawat istorya, ikaw ang bida.
Kwento natin.
Kwentong
Palawan! Hello mga kakwentuhan. Ako isang maligayang araw po sa ating lahat. Kamusta po kayo? At syempre ngayong episode natin, napaka-espesyal ang ating episode ngayon kasi we are celebrating National Heritage Month o Buwan ng Mga Pamana. So ito po ay aside from celebrating ng National Heritage Month, May is my birth month. Diba? So marami tayong kailangan i-celebrate at syempre ito po month, May is Heritage Month by virtue of Presidential Proclamation number 439 series of 2003, partner.
Right, you are partner, no? Ngayong Mayo po ay pinagdiriwang natin ang pambansang buwan ng mga pamana. And we hope that through this episode brought to you by the Provincial Government of Palawan, we would be able to raise awareness about the significance of our local and national heritage.
That's right, partner. Ako bias ako when it comes to heritage, culture, arts, and so many more. At ano nga ba yung theme ng ating National Heritage
Yes, simulan
Month,
natin
partner?
sa theme. Ang theme, preserving legacies, building futures, empowering communities through heritage.
Wow.
Na-memorize ko yan, partner. Kanina ko kami ni-memorize yun eh. Papunta pa lang dito sa National Museum.
Napakamalaman, talagang siksik, liglig at umaapaw yung ating pagdiriwang ng ating ng National Heritage Month natin ngayon. At syempre, dahil sabi ko kanina, special yung ating episode ngayon.
Yes.
Bumiyahe tayo, ilang hours ba? Siguro mga...
Nasa 4 din.
Nasa approximately nasa 3.5 hours. At nandito tayo ngayon sa napakaganda at syempre, napaka-blessed. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tabon Cave sa ating National Museum. At syempre, wag na natin patatagalin pa. Kasama natin ngayon ang ating special guest. Syempre, ang newly appointed Supervising Admin Officer ng National Museum dito po sa Tabon Cave Complex sa Lipuon Point. Teacher ko to! Teacher ko to!
And ka-alma mater
Grabe!
ko to!
Oo, nakaka-proud.
Yes.
Kasi nung nandito na siya, sabi ko, ay, natuwa ako eh. Nakatuwa ako na nandito na siya sa National Museum. At proud tayo na nandito na siya. Kaya tayo
Yes.
napagbigyan. So,
Thank
no
you.
other than our special guest sa ating episode ng Kwentong Palawan, Ma'am Jackie Sokerata Avila. Hi, Ma'am.
I'm
Kamusta?
so proud na kasama natin si
Oo.
Ma'am ngayon.
Hi Cyrus, hi Chini. Maligayang pagdating sa National Museum of the Philippines. Malugod namin kayong tinatanggap, malugod namin tinatanggap ang Kwentong Palawan dito sa
Yes.
National Museum of the Philippines, Tabon Cave Complex, and Lipuan Point.
Napaka-ano. Actually, nung sinabi natin na mag-air tayo about national heritage, sabi ko, punta tayo ng Tabon Cave,
Yes.
di ba? Why not? Puntahan natin yung
Oo.
Tabon Cave. So talagang binigay sa atin yung napakagandang panahon, napakagandang oras kasi ang hirap din as supervising admin officer ng Tabon Cave. Syempre
Hindi
busy rin
naman.
si ma'am sa
Oo
kanyang
nga,
trabaho.
salamat po. Napaunlakan kami.
Napaunlakan
Ang
tayo.
sarap pala mag-shoot dito, partner. Fresh air pa.
Fresh air.
And may trivia lang ako, partner, kasi I was here nung soft opening. Yung nasa facade natin, yung logo dyan, ang ibig sabihin yan ay pa. Sa tama po ba,
Yes,
ma'am? Pa.
yes.
Para to represent daw ng pamana.
Mhm.
Yes, ang logo namin ay baybayin pa. It's representing pamana kasi National Museum in general envisions to preserve and promote our nation's legacy, our country's legacy, and that is our heritage, of course. So sabi nyo nga, ang sarap ng hangin dito no, sa beach area because we are so proud that Tabon Cave Complex is not only limited to our archaeological value but also with our wildlife, with our mangroves, with our beach forest. Yeah, we have everything here in Tabon Cave Complex.
Grabe. Ako kinikilig ako kasi parang unahin ko na yung hashtag ko, hashtag pamana talaga.
Oo.
Since we are celebrating, Ma'am Jack, ng National Heritage Month or pamana, 'di ba? So, napaka-blessed ng Palawan, meron tayong Tabon Cave. So, pag-usapan natin, what is pamana? Ano nga ba ang heritage? Ano ang kahalagahan nito? Kasi syempre, yes, May is National Heritage Month. Pero pag-usapan natin siya, pagkwentuhan natin siya, papaano na natin siya maikikwento sa ating mga kababayang Palawenyo, sa mga tao na nandito, no, habang ina-invite natin, we are inviting everyone na to visit our, hindi lang dito sa Tabon Cave Complex, maging sa iba pang parts na meron
Yes.
tayong pamana. Gaano kahalaga pag-usapan at pagkwentuhan ng pamana?
Well, napakaswerte ng Palawan kasi we are not only limited to natural heritage. We have beautiful places here. We have several UNESCO World Heritage Sites here. Tabon Cave is also included in the tentative list of World Heritage Site. Hindi lang maganda yung lugar natin. We have, for example, nandito na rin tayo sa Tabon Cave. Our Tabon Cave is one of the most studied archaeological landscape at alam natin na nandiyan yung ating mga cultural treasure. Now, when we talk about pamana kasi, we always think na it's in the past. How is it going to be relevant now in the future? And how are we going to look at it as something that is essential in nation building? So mahalaga na mailapit natin sa local communities natin, ma-empower natin yung local communities natin because at the end of the day, ang pinanggagalingan ng pamana na to ay yung ating mga ancestors. And we owe it to them to translate it into the future generation, to the current generation, para itong pamana na to ma-appreciate, maintindihan, maunawaan, maipagmalaki because this is our pride. This is our identity as a Filipino. And yun yung ano sa atin na parang, oh, let's go there. Aesthetic doon, Instagrammable doon, maganda yung boardwalk. And then we miss going to the galleries na punong-puno ng andyan yung pamana nating lahat sa galleries. We have a well-curated ethnology gallery. We have a well-curated archaeology gallery. And of course, yung ating natural history is also there. So, yeah, Palawan is not just about beautiful beaches. Kung maaalala ko nga, when I was in my elementary years, kapag sinabi mong Palawan, automatic Tabon Cave, automatic yung mga historical aspect ng Palawan yung napag-uusapan. Hindi naman nakakalungkot, no? Pero dapat balanse natin siyang maipresent that Palawan is both beautiful with our natural resources as last ecological frontier, but also this is a very important archaeological and heritage site as well.
Very well said, Ma'am. Talagang napaliwanag na ni Ma'am agad-agad yung tema natin for this year, no? Yung preserving legacies
That's right.
and building future. Kasi, yun nga the past is connected to the future. And even to the present, no? Utang natin yung sa mga ancestors natin kung ano rin yung meron tayo ngayon.
Yeah.
You graduated UP, di ba? Social science.
Yes. BA Social Science. So my major is social anthropology. And my first training as a professional is actually on archaeology field school in Ili Cave in El Nido. So nakapag-participate ako sa isang, I think a month-long field school in Sibaltan and in Diwol Valley in El Nido. That training is really remarkable. Yun yung nag-introduce kasi sa akin na we have so much responsibility as Palaweños. Kasi these are all around us. We have archaeological sites here, and then dapat tayo yung nag-initiate, also empowering our local communities to safeguard, to be the steward of our archaeological sites.
That's right. So, ma'am, before ka napunta dito sa National Museum, nag-serve ka as faculty ng Palawan State University.
Yes.
Hi sa mga taga-PSU.
Hi sa mga naging estudyante ni Ma'am.
Ako din hindi pala yung estudyante ni ma'am. So, ma'am, ikaw, hindi na bago sa'yo yung magturo, mag-share, magpahayag, magsabi, or ituro yung mga kaalaman na ito na natutunan mo. And may mga challenges tayo na i-encounter.
Okay,
Siyempre,
yeah,
when it
right.
comes to pamana, di ba, boring, di ba? Lalo na ngayon,
Ganung connotation.
may ganung connotation. Papaano natin ina-address yon? Papaano natin mas lalong ipinapaintindi sa kanila? Kasi syempre hindi tayo magsa-stop eh. We have to push, we have to move forward para maipagpatuloy ito. Yung bagay na
Yes.
to.
Especially now, Ma'am, we are in the digital age.
Yes.
Iba na rin ang mga kabataan na nakalakihan na nila ang
Oo,
gadgets,
yes.
cellphone, tablet.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. Nagsimula ako bilang faculty sa Palawan State University and isa ako din sa mga tumulong sa pagbubuhay ulit ng Palawan Study Center. Napakalaga na meron tayong isang research arm, isang institution na talagang magmo-monitor, mag-i-initiate, magpapalawak ng research activities natin on everything that is Palawan, not only limited to history, culture, and arts, but also to contemporary things that are happening in the province. Nung nasa PSU ko, I'm teaching Palawan Studies, Philippine Indigenous Communities, and also handling some major subjects in Philippine Studies. I think that experience prepared me for my current role now in the National Museum. Kasi ang National Museum ay isang educational institution naman. So, as an educational institution, we educate using our collections, using our exhibits, our galleries, and of course, the natural sites and the archaeological sites around. Paano natin maitatawid sa current generation yung pagpapahalaga sa ating pamana? We have to create, we have to craft and initiate engaging activities. So here in National Museum, meron kaming mga museum engagement. So kanina with the students that are visiting, meron kaming Surat at Tagbanwa. So, ang alpha-syllabic script na the Palawan writing system is one of those living scripts, buhay na sistema ng pagsulat. At ilan-ilan na lang yan ngayon. And the Tagbanwa writing system, the Surat at Tagbanwa, is a national cultural treasure. So, ito ay mapapanatili natin, maiko-connect natin sa kanila by actually teaching them. Kasi there's some point in our history wherein even our indigenous communities, they stop using it. So ano yung kailangan nating gawin as National Museum? We have to introduce it to them again, turuan ulit sila, ipakita yung kahalagahan nito. Kasi nagbabago na rin ng natin ngayon eh. This generation is really intelligent. This generation, the current generation is intelligent, and they have all the platforms. Yung current digital norm natin ngayon, dapat gamitin natin siya, streamline natin siya, samantalahin natin yung pagkakataon that we have so many platform para makapag-reach out tayo sa audience natin.
Tama po, ma'am. And I appreciate yung mga efforts niyo po dito sa National Museum.
Yeah, we also have cooking demo. For example, last month, we have the Filipino Food Month celebration.
Pinicture din po namin yun, ma'am. Food heritage naman.
So nagkaroon kami ng cooking demo, ng lutlot, ng puso-puso, ng iba pang mga locally sourced food, available materials in the community, kasi that's how we support sustainable development goals as well. Dapat aware tayo na hindi tayo nag-i-introduce ng something that would endanger and stop their tradition. So mas i-encourage natin sila to continue it and to promote it and to make it known. Kasi napakahalaga sa kanila na tayo mismo na-appreciate natin.
Sige. Ma'am, you've mentioned na, di ba, napaka-unique ng Palawan. Napaka-unique. Kumbaga, hindi na natin maisa-isa kung ano pa yung mga heritage o ano pa yung mga... May tinatawag kasi tayong national heritage and local heritage. So, syempre, itong National Museum natin, which is Tabon Cave, very unique. Diba? So, pagkwentuhan na lang natin, ano ba ang unique kay Tabon Cave doon sa iba nating mga National Museum?
It's a local heritage, but at the same time, may national value,
Yes,
diba?
opo.
Nire-recognize sa buong Pilipinas and even outside the Philippines.
Right. Hindi lang local, hindi lang national. It is very important in Southeast Asia, and it's very important in piecing out our history as humans. So we have here 4 national cultural treasures. Pag sinabi nating cultural treasure, ano bang ibig nating sabihin ng national cultural treasures? So, ibig sabihin, itong mga objects na to, they possess outstanding historical, scientific, and cultural value. Okay, so we have, Tabon Cave is home to 4, pero pwedeng marami pang sumunod.
Yes. Oo.
Dito pa lang pala, apat na
apat na.
agad. Pinakyaw na
Pinakyaw
ang
na.
National Treasure.
Sige po, ano po yung apat na ito?
Yeah, so we have the Tabon Skull Cap. This is the Tabon Skull Cap. We have the Tabon Mandible. We have the Tabon Tibia. And of course, the renowned Manunggul Jar.
Yes po.
So these are national cultural treasures since 2010, I think. So they were declared as our NCTs.
Opo. Parang dyan po sa loob ng museum, may nakita po ako dati nung Tabon Skull Cap. Tama
Yeah.
po ba? Yun po ba yung tunay na ano noon? Or replica na lang po?
What we have here are replicas. The Manunggol and the Skull Cap, they are replicas. So yung ating mga specimen is in the National Museum in the central office. The skull cap is estimated to be, it varies depending on what references are you using. But in the recent uranium series dating, it's around 16,500 years before present. So sa iba makita nyo 22,000, 24,000 years before present. And so pag nagkakaroon tayo ng new information, the National Museum releases these researches for the public to know na meron ng mga bagong dating system na ginagamit.
Okay.
Yeah, but the Tabon tibia is 47,000 before present. Yes, yun yung mga current na pagtatala natin ng mga edad nitong mga buto na to ng tao.
Yung mandible naman po, kasama rin po. No? Mandible dito po ba yan? Tama po
Yes.
ba?
Oo. Napaka-importante ng mandible, no? Kasi dito din natin malalaman kung anong klase ng diet nagkaroon yung ating mga ancestors. And syempre, of course, yung molar, yung
Yeah.
mga ngipin, importante din yan. And the new set of molar that were discovered here are it's relating to the Negrito population. Right? So, that's why sabi ko nga, it's not only important in the Philippines, it's important in Southeast Asia. It's key in understanding our origin as humans. Yun yung sana ay talagang
Yes.
we're so positive. We're so positive in National Museum na nakaka-capture na natin talaga yung interest ng ating mga audience, especially yung ating Gen Z. So a lot of our visitors are coming from that generation and sila talaga yung maraming tanong. Mauubusan kami ng sagot sa super detailed yung tanong ng Gen Z natin pagdating sa nasan po ito, bakit po ganito. So, we have a lot of those things. And, right.
Mapahaba yung kwento. Basta kailangan ikwento ng ikwento, no?
Yes.
Oo.
And partner, na-appreciate yung ginawa nila, ma'am, na tinuro nila sa mga kabataan yung alpha-syllabic script
Yes.
ng Tagbanwa. Kasi ako, yung dad ko yun noon. Pero unfortunately, hindi napasa sa akin yung language kasi hindi namin na-practice sa bahay. So parang sayang na mamatay yung, maaring mamatay ang isang language kung hindi siya mapapasa at maaring mamatay yung way nung pagsulat ng Tagbanwa kung hindi rin maituturo sa mga
Yes.
kabataan.
After the Second World War, ginagamit pa natin ang surat at Tagbanwa pagdating sa suffrage, election, properties, ginagamit pa for communication. So ito yung way pa nila ng pagpapasa-pasa ng mensahe sa mga iba't ibang lugar sa Palawan. That's how our Tagbanwa and Palawan indigenous communities use the script.
Oo. At saka marami pang pwede. Actually, yun yung sabi natin, may mga tuloy-tuloy na pag-aaral. Siyempre, ang National Museum din is part of their mandate, no? Continue yung research nila. At siyempre, hindi natatapos yung pag-aaral ni Ma'am. Nagtuturo at the same time, habang nagtuturo, tuloy-tuloy din yung kanyang in-depth na pag-aaral para may maituro naman sa mga kababayan natin.
Ma'am,
Yes.
balikan po natin yung Tabon Cave Complex. Considered po ba yan as National Cultural Treasure? Tama po ba?
Yung specific na mga nabanggit ko kanina, they are the National Cultural Treasure. The Tabon Cave Complex is on the tentative list of World Heritage
Yes.
Site. And we are
Pangatlo kung sakali.
together actually with the Provincial Government
Yeah.
Office. The efforts are on the roll for the inscription of Tabon Cave Complex as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Opo.
Yeah.
Kasi dyan po nahuka yung mga fossils ng Tabon Man, no? Tama
Yes,
po.
yes, the Homo sapiens. There is the hominin fossil that was excavated there. Yung mga nabanggit ko kanina, the skull cap, the mandible, the tibia, and there are other human bones na pinag-aaralan pa hanggang sa kasalukuyan.
Opo. Kaya noon po kilala ang Tabon Cave as the yung lugar po na to as the cradle of
Of civilization.
human
Pero
Yes.
parang nabago na ata siya ngayon, ma'am, dahil sa mga pag-aaral. So, parang sabi...
It's the bedrock of civilization. It's not only of you know the cultural civilization if we're pertaining to that, but also of our natural. In general, yung kabuuan ng ating isla ay naka-inscribe as man and biosphere resource. So that's really important. And that's also important to Tabon Cave.
Yeah, for the information of everyone, last 2023, the provincial government through Governor Socrates already issued an executive order number 58 para po sa creation to establish task force for the inscription of Tabon Cave Complex. Hindi po on point. So kasama tayo dyan, the Governor's Office and other related national and local government agencies and even the Quezon Municipal Government. Very supportive sila. Lahat tayo, especially hindi lang Palawan, hindi lang Quezon, buong bansa, no? Talagang very supportive. Of course, thank you very much to Director General Barnes.
Yes.
Sa kanya suporta para dito. Sana no, kasi meron na tayong dalawa. We have two already. We are home of two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, which is the Tubataha and the Puerto Princesa.
Underground.
So pa nagkataon, magiging tatlo na, di ba? Yes.
We are so blessed. Paano po pala yan nakakategorize
Oo
ang
nga,
mga
ma'am.
pamanan? Or kinakategorize po ba yan? Like historical heritage, cultural heritage, or paano po ba yan?
For the National Heritage Month, it's more focused on the cultural aspect of pamana. Mga tradisyon, tangible at intangible. Okay, sayaw, kanta, sining, pagkain, pananamit, at syempre, yung ating mga
Yung historical landmarks natin.
mga historical landmarks natin, buildings, very minimal yung buildings natin, pero what we have here are natural landscapes, yung ating mga archaeological sites, for example. So, sa intangible heritage natin, isa sa mga pinakaunang nagawaran ng Gamaba, Gawad Manlilikha ng Bayan ay si MB Mancino Intaray. So, kilala natin siya sa pagcha-chant at sa basal ensemble, the gong ensemble. And then we also have weaving techniques.
Wow.
So we have culture bearers here, identified culture bearers. Ito yung mga nagtuturo sa mga School of Living Traditions natin. So dito sa South Palawan, we have Ma'am Janet Hanapi and si Labinti Black. So paghahabi ng banig at saka paghahabi ng mga basket and cup. Yung naman nila, yung expertise naman nila. Pagdating sa north, of course, we also have archaeological sites there na gaining importance already. Importante actually talaga. So, more on how our ancestor, paano sila nabuhay noon, ano yung flora and fauna, ano yung diet nila. Yun naman ang sa norte. And, our other ethno-linguistic groups.
Yeah.
Na basically very rich din ang pamana, ang ating mga Kuyunon, ang ating mga Agutaynen, Cagayanen, lahat sila ay nagpapakita kung gaano kayaman ang kultura ng mga taga-Palawan.
Yeah, correct. To sa aming partner, kasi Palawan talaga, kumbaga, we are so blessed. Kumbaga, nandito na lahat. Since our culture and our ethno-linguistic groups, very diverse, di ba? From north to south, we have 9 ethno-linguistic groups. Tama ba, ma'am?
Depende
Nine
sa
IT
gagamitin mong
Depende.
definition.
Definition.
Yeah.
Okay.
9. Kasi ang based doon sa ating unang pakikipagkwentuhan kay IPMR, 9 daw. Panglao. No? Major, that is major. So, di ba, biruin mo, kumbaga sa isang probinsya o isang lalawigan, may siyam ka na mga katutubong Palawan na nandito. So, lahat yan, mayroong iba't ibang mga pamana na kung saan ay bahagi na ng ating kasaysayan, bahagi na ng ating cultural identity.
Yes.
Diba?
If we're going to use the UNESCO definition of it, we have 3. Batak, Tagbanwa, Palawan. But we have 57, I think, something ethno-linguistic groups as we are a migrant province. So, minsan lalabas yan na I think that's one of the strength also of Palawan, that we are a migrant province. And so, parang tignan mo na lang, di ba, when we
Cultural
celebrate
hotspot.
Baragatan,
Yes.
when we celebrate Baragatan, you have an array of different
Yes, culture,
heritage, pamana. Mamili ka lang.
Ano bang gusto mo? Ano bang flavor yung gusto mo this year?
Oo.
Diba? So, naku, talagang napaka-bless natin kasi nakakakilig dito sa National Museum. Napaka-special ng
correct.
araw natin. Kasi syempre, kumbaga, hindi nasayang yung biyahe natin. Diba?
Sulit na
Sulit
sulit.
na sulit.
Talaga ba ha?
Sa
Sana
kaalaman
hindi
pa
talaga
lang.
nasayang inyong biyahe.
Sige. Ma'am Jack, ano na lang, last message sa ating mga kababayang Palawenyo, kababayang Pilipino, at
please
higit sa
invite
lahat,
them
yung mga
too.
guests natin who would really want to visit the National Museum.
Yes. Sa lahat po ng mga Palawenyo, nakapunta man o hindi pa sa National Museum of the Philippines, Tabon Cave Complex, and Lipuon Point, malugod namin kayong tinatanggap dito and marami kaming mga museum activities, museum engagement na naka-line up this year. You can come and ang aming galleries, ang aming caving activities ay free of charge. You can just go to our Facebook page para magpa-reserve ng inyong caving activities. We are open to public 7 days a week. So wala kaming dito, wala kaming pahinga sa National Museum. We can accept you and magkita-kita tayo dito at mas pag-usapan natin dito ang kultura at ang pamana ng ating probinsya. Salamat, Kwentong Palawan!
Wow, grabe! Sige, Chin, ano mga hashtag mo? Or ano
Ang
ka ba?
hashtag ko, pamana ng ating lahi.
Wow, sige, Ma'am Jack, ano mga hashtag mo? Bago tayo tuloy mag-
Siyempre, National Museum at kami ay talagang pamana, 'di ba? So, hashtag pamana.
Alright, sa inyo po lahat, maraming salamat. Hanggang susunod pa nating kwentuhan. Huwag po kayong magsasawang i-like, i-share, pusuan ang aming official Facebook page, ang PIO Palawan at lahat po ng ating mga social media platforms. Dahil dyan po kami, talagang gusto namin ikwento yung kwento ng bawat Palawenyo. May hashtag for this episode.
Yes.
Kwentong Bayan, Kwentong Palawan, Kwento ng Lahing Pilipino. Sa inyo po lahat, bawat kwento may kwenta.
Bawat istorya, ikaw ang bida.
Kwento natin.
Kwentong Palawan!